Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from the MiniFig Club, and I have my card. Every month we get a sticker on here and you fill it up and you get a prize. So let's take a look at everything that came in my July bag. You always get a magnet, so that's what it looks like this month, which is really cute. My son loves collecting these. You also get a postcard. They always tell you about a different challenge that there is every month. You get a small sticker to put on here, a bigger sticker that matches, and a bookmark. Never give up on your dreams. Then you get your people, your pieces, and your piece of the month, and I'm gonna assume it's something Spaceman related. Let's take a look and see. Ha, that's cute. It's a little alien kind of head. That's cool. I'm trying to think if we have one of those or not. I don't think we do. That's exciting. So, these are all official Lego pieces, which is my favorite thing about it, because a lot of the Lego subscriptions are knockoff Lego. They're not real Lego. And if you're a collector, then that's important to you. So let's take a look. One of my favorite types of Lego heads is the skeleton one, so I got one of those. I have a little skier, I guess. It looks like a little ski mask or snowboarding mask. Also have a girl with sunglasses. And the other head is an older looking Lego headpiece, which is really cool. A little pirate guy. Then for legs, I have some plain green ones, half red, half white, and then a girl's bottom, little dress. And for the chest pieces, I have this one. This one's pretty interesting. And then here's the last one. Very unique pieces typically. And then we have all the accessories. And this is enough to make 3 full minifigures, and then you'll have like a piece or 2 left. And what is this one? How cool. A little weapon. It's pretty unique looking. Also have a broom. I think I've received one of those before. I know I've gotten this style of hat before. A carrot. A loaf of bread. I like the Lego food, so I don't mind having those. A wrench. Little coffee cup. A green hat. Some binoculars. I get those pretty frequently. And a hat. So that is what came in my July bag. If you guys are interested in joining, signing up for a subscription, I will have all their information below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.